Welcome back to Sunday Funday, where we review our Webull Dividend Portfolio Spreadsheet. In today's video, we're going to review our deposits, our purchases, and our dividends received. This is our monthly review for September 2021. The current value of our account is about $7,048, and we are currently up about $1,100. We have received a total of $468.87. As far as our deposits go, we have deposited a total of $5,200 into our account, and for the month of September, we were able to add $100. As far as our purchases for the month of September, we purchased 1 share of OXLC. We were able to add 3 shares of QYLD with our dividend money, and we were not able to buy anything with our deposit because we had to wait for our money to settle. As far as dividends received for the month of September, we received $3.08 from Unilever, $3.44 from OXLC. We purchased 1 share of OXLC in the month of September, so our dividend money went up a very small amount. We received $10.44 from ExxonMobil. We received $2.36 from Realty Income. We received another $1.50 from EPR Properties. We received $5.71 from QYLD, $2 from Horizon, and $3.28 from IBM, for a total of $31.81. And from this part of the chart down here, you can see that our money is making us money. We've been able to purchase all these shares with our dividend money for a total of $557. This has been a very slow process, but one thing I want to point out is that even though it is a slow process, there is progress being made. As you can see, we're creeping up on our 2-year mark of investing for dividend income. And you can see that when we first started, we started out making very little money. And as time went on, we started to make more money and more money and more money and more money. And at this time, we were adding a lot of money. But since about right here, we haven't really added a whole lot of money to the account. And as you can see, the amount from year over year is still getting significantly higher. I mean, our highest month so far is $44.69. In September, we're already almost $10 above where we were last year. And I mean, we really haven't added. Let's see if we can figure out how much we've added since September of last year. Since September of last year, I guess we did add quite a bit. We added a total of $1,200. So I guess we added quite a bit of money. I hope you enjoyed today's video. This is the total of all 4 accounts that we review on Sunday Funday. As you can see, we've put in about $33,000, and we're up to almost $40,000. We're actually closer to $39,000 than we are $40,000, but we're creeping up there. And this has been a little over 2 years worth of spending our money on assets instead of liability. We're gotten to where we're technically bringing in, or we have brought in, $4.01 every single day. It's pretty impressive that our money has given us an opportunity for us to generate another $1,400 without actually having to work for it. And if you look, like, our money has increased in value $6,000. So if you add the two together, basically our $33,000 has generated about $7,500 extra dollars just in 2 years. So I'm pretty excited about that. As you can see here, we are still pretty much a little over 3/4 invested in tax-advantaged accounts, which is very important to keep an eye on the tax guy. If you do have any questions, leave us a comment down below in the comment section and we'll get back to you. This is Sunday Funday, where we review our Webull dividend portfolio, our M1 Roth IRA, our Fidelity Health Savings Account, and our M1 Growth Portfolio. If you want to see more investing videos, you can click the link on the screen or check the sidebar. Thanks for watching.